Another massive day for Jasmy in the cryptocurrency space. But what's going on? Why are we seeing these massive upsides? And is tomorrow going to be another 50% day? Well, I've got you covered all in this video. So like I said, make sure you subscribe. Let's get into it. So welcome back to the channel, everybody. 2Bit Crypto here. Don't forget, like I said, like and subscribe this video for all the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency. But once again, Jasmy coin on an absolute moon mission right now. 40% up on the day. But the big news story is $1.34 billion worth of volume running through Jasmy in the last 24 hours is an insane number given where we've been, and has broke Jasmy into the top 100 cryptocurrencies out there. And just as a little side note, we were talking about Jasmy when it was 202. We were being told that it was a scam. We were being told not to buy it. I even had DMs to me saying you shouldn't be promoting this coin. And shout out to every single one of you guys that supported the videos, that subscribed to the channel, that absolutely love the Jasmy content, because you guys right now are ripping a potential 6x from when we talked about Jasmy. But I want to break down a few important factors so that you are up to speed with everything going on with Jasmy and what to expect in the further coming days. So like we said, look at that volume up 61%. Bearing in mind, we've on a massive 5-day move right now for Jasmy, up another 40%, holding the 16.3 range. I think 17s are coming very soon. We could even see a 2-cent Jasmy very, very shortly. So what do we know that's been going on? Well, whenever something is really starting to move, we start to see partnerships. We start to see further excitement build around the coin because everybody wants a piece of the puzzle. You only have to look at the actual technical analysis chart to see exactly what it has been doing. But we do know from Hara, he's been very vocal recently, as well as getting out to some more events. He's going to ETH Denver, which is going to be pretty exciting. But two big moments, we see a further 2 trading pairs on big leverage that you can go and trade over there. And again, on the leverage token ETF, and likewise Garada wallet listing Jasmy as well. Now it feels like it's been a minute since we talked about Jasmy being either listed or being in the news for any real positives. So fantastic to see 2 big partnerships further allowing the adoption of Jasmy, further allowing people to buy this fantastic token. Remember, data democratization is going to be huge. A lot of people absolutely do not realize what it's all about. Equally, we've been trending on Twitter, and you know tokens are going crazy, or you know coins are going crazy when they are trending all over Twitter. And Jasmy's been there for the last 2 or 3 days now. And a big shout out to Oscar Ramos here, showing us this 200% Jasmy pump in less than 5 days. How much Jasmy should you hold? Blake Berryhill says 1 million. Jasmy is absolutely where you want to go. Let me know in the comments down below, how much Jasmy do you think is a good number to hold? Like I said, important that we are trending on Twitter as well. So I'm always interested to know what you guys think. Specifically though, a lot of people expecting further price movement to the upside. Interestingly, broke out of a 500-day consolidation period, and a decisive symmetrical triangle gives us a view that we could and should expect a price increase. Again, looking at this chart here, you can see the breakouts and equally the breakthrough a number of support levels around that 320A and that 1011. The bulls expecting a bearish breakout after testing the local top at that 0.17. So that's the number that we're now looking to break above. If we break above the 0.17, then expect a significant move. Now we have built support around the 0.143, excuse me, that we have to kind of be mindful, but sentiment right now in Jasmy is very good. Lots of people incredibly excited. Big partnerships coming, further development, all of which we're still waiting for that junction news to come out from Hara. Like I said, he has been absolutely working super hard in terms of bringing that out. But when you take a look at the chart, like I said, 41% up on the day. We're just starting to get a bit of a rally on Bitcoin, 51.6. That did pull back on the back of Fed rate notes that came out today, but 51.6, we should see 52. I equally think we're at 54 by the end of the week, but Jasmy continues to move to the upside. Now, a lot of people have been messaging me. A lot of people have been in my live streams talking about where do we think the price is going? What should we do? Are we buying? Are we selling? The reality here right now is a lot of the key metrics on Jasmy are either A, showcasing that we should expect a pullback, while at the same time, hopefully holding this consolidation at this higher level. However, if you were to look at that the last 3 days, you see Jasmy has been absolutely tearing it up. What is important to look at is the size of the wicks that are coming on either side. That shows us the sentiment of where the market is, and more importantly, where to expect this move to go. Now, if you come back a little bit. You can see where Jasmy did rally previous when it was back in the kind of early 22s, late 2021s. And actually what we can decipher from this is we're looking at around that 2 cent range. That's why I talked about it right at the very start of the video, that we should see the next big level of resistance. That 17 is key. Then we're on to the 2s. And I think if we can hover anywhere between 17 and 2, I think that's going to be pretty good news. But volume is with us. 1.3 billion. Sentiment is there. Excitement is there. Partnerships are coming. I see no reason, especially if the market moves, why Jasmy would see anywhere near a significant pullback. Yes, we'll see some level of, consolidations or quietness. I just think Jasmy's going, and I think we're going to see some more upside moves. But as always, let me know, how much Jasmy should you be holding, and what's your view? Where do you think Jasmy's going to be by the end of the week? And once again, shout out to all of you that have been supporting the channel and holding Jasmy through those really rough times. Absolutely gratitude. That I love the fact that it's moving. So if you're bullish on Jasmy, hit the like button for more content like this, and subscribe to the notification bell on so you don't miss a beat. I'm going to see you guys all in the next video. Take care.